Here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. The rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help enhance the colours. I'll zoom in a bit so you get a better look. Okay, a bit closer so you can see the colours a bit more. It's just as it's been poured out of the bag. Some of it's quite a black base. That piece, for example, can't see a lot of colour, but that doesn't mean sometimes when you cut it open you find the colour bars inside. There's no guarantee, of course, but it's a possibility. It's almost crystal, blue flash in it, so almost could facet that perhaps. Mix that bit. Some of these pieces lend themselves to perhaps carving. I think you get an idea of what's materials like. Maybe there's not much colour in these blacker pieces by the looks. That one's a bit better. Dark blue on dark grey there. Something like this piece needs a bit of grinding, see what's inside. Anyway, I think you get an idea of what you're looking at there. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.